pangitao nasa tong na ay kahoy, no? This one ay kahoy ana. Okay? So kung dili makita ang kahoy, you go back to load Autodesk family. We'll try to check sa categories. Sa kuan. Insert. Yeah, load Autodesk family. Load Autodesk family tapat. Kanang cloud. So you try lang class, it will depend on your connectivity. So that's the problem sa basta mo appear to the class ang mga different categories, no? Pangita lang, no? I think ang 3 sa kuan man siya sa planting. So I will check here. Planting. You go to planting. So sample this one, RPC3 tropical. I-load lang na siya. Okay? So once you have downloaded the families, at the moment, wala pa na siya ma-apply. So you just type CN, then you can find the tropical na kahoy. This kaning tree. Okay? If you want to change that, naroon na options dire. Type selector. Okay? So select lang ka na class. Example, this one. Orange tree. Kana. Escape. Escape. Okay?